Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study the SAT. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, including the reading, writing, and language and math sections. Next, take a full-length diagnostic practice test to pinpoint areas where you need the most improvement. This initial assessment will help you tailor your study plan effectively. Finally, establish a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to review different subjects and practice questions. To study effectively, prioritize consistent practice with official SAT questions and full-length tests. Don't just take tests, meticulously review every incorrect answer to understand why you made a mistake and how to avoid it next time. This deep dive into your errors is crucial for improvement. Make sure to use materials directly from the College Board, as these are the most accurate representations of the actual exam. As test day approaches, focus on refining your time management skills for each section. Practice pacing yourself so you can complete all questions within the allotted time. Develop specific strategies for different question types, like process of elimination for multiple choice. Remember to prioritize your well-being, getting adequate sleep, and eating nutritious meals in the days leading up to the test will significantly impact your performance. On test day, maintain a calm and confident mindset. Trust in your preparation and approach each section with focus. Double-check that you have all essential items, such as your admission ticket, a valid photo ID, 2 No. 2 pencils, and an approved calculator. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck, you've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.